are going to love the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.